hospital for people our society knowledge.
IDs, gentlemen. Show your badges, gentlemen.
Dr. Crowley's been consulted numerous times by Scotland Yard, MI5, OSS.
Why?
What do you mean?
What do intelligence agencies want to consult a psychiatrist about?
I guess you'll have to ask him.
Marshal Daniels?
Okay. Marshal Hall.
Thank you, Deputy Warden Delville.
Yes, sir.
Pleasure, gentlemen.
He had a lot to say about you.
McPherson's a good man. He believes in the work we do here.
And what would that be exactly?
A moral fusion between law and order and clinical care.
Pardon me, Doc, but what between what and what?
Those paintings are quite accurate. Used to be the kind of patients we deal with here were shackled and left in their own filth. They were beaten, as if whipping them bloody would drive the psychosis out. We drove screws into their brains. We submerged them in icy water until they lost consciousness or even drowned.
And now?
We treat them, try to heal, try to cure. And if that fails, at least we provide them with a measure of comfort in their lives. Calm.
These are all violent defenders, right? They've hurt people, murdered them in some cases.
In almost all cases, yes.
And personally, Doc, I'd have to say screw their sense of calm.
It's my job to treat my patients, not their victims. I'm not here to judge.
So this female prisoner, patient, one, Rachel Solando, escaped sometime in the last 24 hours.
Right. Between 10 and midnight.
She considered dangerous.
You could say that. She killed all three of the children. She drowned them to their in the house. She took them out one by one, held their heads under till they died. Then she brought them back inside and arranged them around the kitchen table. She ate a meal there before they were dropped.
And what about the husband?
He died on the beaches of Normandy. She's a war widow. She starved herself when she first came here. She insisted the children were dead.
Sorry, you don't have enough aspirin, do you?
For the headaches, Marshal.
Sometime today, I'm a little more prone to seasickness.
Ah, okay, that's great. That case, you're quite right. Simple as that.
Thanks so much.
Rachel still keeps the children alive. She also believes this place is her home in the Berkshires.
You're kidding me.
Never once in 2 years acknowledged that she's in an institution she believes are all deliberate men, milkmen, postal workers. To sustain the delusion that her children never died, she's created an elaborate fictional structure. She gives us all parts to play in that fiction.
So have you searched the grounds yet?
The warden and his men scoured the island. Not a trace. And what's more disturbing is we don't know how she got out of her room. It was locked from the outside, and the only window's barred. It's as if she evaporated straight through the walls.
Brought right back here. There, locked her in. Came back for a midnight round. She was gone.
Seriously, Doctor, how is it possible that the truth never gets through to her? I mean, she's in a mental institution, right? Seems like something you notice from time to time.
How many pairs of shoes are the patients getting?
2 pairs. Sanity's not a choice. Marshal, you can't just choose to get out.
So, she left here barefoot? Come on, Doc, she can get 10 yards in that terrain.
Marshal, This is definitely Rachel's handwriting. I have no idea what the low 4 is.
It's not a psychiatric term.
I'm afraid not.
It was 67. Fuck if I know.
I have to say, that's quite close to my clinical conclusion.